Hello friends, welcome back to this new episode, and in this episode I will show you how to retrieve the user orders from the database and show all the orders in our order space, and also we will perform how to cancel orders. So guys, let's get started. And here you can see that in my browser the project is running, the order space is opened and it's initially empty and it's unauthenticated. I mean, anyone can access this space, but this space is only accessed by login user. So first of all, I will authenticate this space first, and then we will design tables to show our orders list, and then we will write some our DAO codes to retrieve data from our database, and we will show them in our order space. Let's go back to my Eclipse ID, and this is our order space. So here you can see that is auth equal to null. Then so if auth is equal to null, we need to pass the else condition. We will send that response to our login.jsp page. So response dot send redirect login.jsp page. Now refresh the page. So it's send us to the login page. So initially I'm making it a comments because I need to design it first, then otherwise I need to log in again and again. So underneath the include nav section, we'll make a container. So actually it's better, let me do some copy it over from our previous project, so it will minimize our time because on front-end design I don't want to spend too much time here. So I paste it here, close that body tag and close the table tag, format the table. So actually this is our initial view of that orders table. So here we'll date, name, category, quantity, price, and I will show the action of cancel. So let's view this on orders.jsp page. So this is our initial view of the orders page. So now let's go back to our order DAO Java class. So here we will write a method so that will retrieve all the orders information from our table. It will return a list type, so public. It will list of our order. We have a order model, user orders. Then we will pass a ID, that means this is our user ID. So stay import the list Java utility. Then we need a return statement, that's why it's returning an error. So first of all, it will list of order, then list, this is a list, and new array list. Then return the list and import it. So I'm going to here to make it asterisk, so it will import all resource from our list. So this is our order. So let's check it out. Do we have any order model or not? So inside the order, so we have order model, and this is our order model. So we don't need to create it, and this is our order model is imported. So I'm making it asterisk, so it will import all model from our model package. So now write a try catch block. So catch the exception. Exception is e dot print structures, and inside the try block, first of all write a query. Query is select all from orders tables, or the orders tables, it should be asterisk orders table, and where we should say where u underscore id. So actually this is our table column name is equal to what, and we some order by orders dot oid descending, orders dot oid descending order. So actually this is our query, and this is our table's name, MySQL table's name. So we have designed our table before. Then we have prepare statement. So this dot con dot prepare statement, and pass the query, and then set the value pst dot set integer. This one is 1, and this is the id. Then a result set equal to pst dot execute query. So it will return a result set, and start a loop while rs dot next. Then we will create a new order. So order equal to new order. So we need to find the information about the product DAO. So we can say product DAO equal to new product DAO, then pass the connection this dot So initially here what I'm doing, so actually on our orders table we just store the product ID, so we don't know the product details. So what can we do here? I'm just doing this way. So we are calling our product DAO to get product by ID. So there is a method, we have a method get product by ID, and then we are creating our order DAO. And also here in our query we can use inner join. So I think this is the best practice to use inner join, so you can do that inner join. So but I'm doing this way, but nothing is wrong. So here we'll pass integer PID equal to rs dot get integer, and then from our query we'll get the product ID, and then we'll create a new product equal to product DAO dot get single product, and then pass the PID. Here you got an error that get a single product, so because we don't have any single product yet. So okay, no problem, we will create it. So let's say prepare our order. So order, yeah, we have a misspelling here. So order dot set order ID is rs dot get integer, then column name is order underscore ID, then order dot set ID is equal to product ID. We already retrieved that PID, so we can directly use it. Okay, then order dot set name, so product dot we can get it from product dot get name, then order dot set category, then we can say product dot get category, then order dot set price, then we can say product dot get price dot, then we will multiply the price, so rs dot get integer, then we say o underscore quantity, that means order quantity, and then order dot set quantity. Here we just copy over here, Control C and Control V, and then order dot set date rs dot get string, and which is o underscore date, order date, and then just list dot add and add the order here. So now we need to go back to our product DAO, then create a new method which is single product. Let's go to our product DAO, and here so get all products total product price. So here create a method, so which is public product and the method name, and pass integer ID. Initially let's say product, and it's a row equal to null, then return that row, and start a try catch block. So try and then catch, on-site catch e dot print structures, and from here write a query equal to this is our select query, select all from products where we know ID equal to what, then pst equal to this dot con dot prepare statement, pass the query, then pst dot set integer index number 1 and pass it as ID, and here we have a small mistake, integer. Okay, then shall set rs equal to pst dot execute query, then run a loop while rs dot next, then create a row equal to new product, row dot set ID, then rs dot get integer, pass the ID column name, then row dot set name, rs dot get string, pass the column name is product name is name, then row dot set category, rs dot get string and column name is category, then row dot set price, rs dot get double, and which is column name is price, row dot set image, rs dot get string, field name is image. So actually this method you can use to get single product from our index base to get the all product information. So it's returning the row. So I think it's done for now. So this is the order DAO. Now there is no error right now, but I'm telling again that so this is not also a best practice. So you can do inner join. So here you can say select all from orders, then you can also use the inner join. So that I think that is the best practice. So there you need to just modify the order model. So you need to input all product information there, but we already extend that, I think. So we already extend it to the product. So I think inner join is the best practice for this task, but this one is also okay initially for a small project. Okay, this is nothing wrong here. So now let's go back to our orders.jsp page. So here we need to do something like that. So go to our cut page. So I'm initially copy the format part, paste it here. So we need to import also that decimal format. So we need to perform this action when user is logged in this section. So you can say order DAO equal to new order DAO, then dbcon dot get connection. So here you can write something in one lines. So without instantiating that, you just directly access that. You can see that insert order users order by id. So it's returning that. Then you can pass that I do it auth dot get id, and here just we can say list of order, then name it to orders. So this way you can do that. It's nothing wrong here. So it will return you the list of orders. So now come back to our table body. So on table body we'll start a loop to show our orders. So first of all we will check if orders, we made any mistake here, orders. If orders is not equal to null, then can't access it right now. What's wrong here? So list of orders. So initially we need to set these orders as a null because it's inside the if block. So in Java we can't it's a local variable, so we make it a global. So you can say initially order is equal to null, then remove this list items here. Okay, then now we can access that orders. Then start a for loop, order DAO, order, then then orders list, and then we'll start our table tr. So we need to close that here because we are going to write our HTML code. Here write a tr o dot get, first one is get date, then I'm going to close the tr and I'm going to just copy it and paste it a few more times. For name, category, quantity, price, and that another one is cancel. So we need to create that cancel, then name, then category, then quantity, and then price, and then you just set up a link. So a class, and then its button type. Button is small, and it's button danger, and AF. And here we'll create a servlet cancel order. We will name it, then id, then we just copy this part here from here, Ctrl X and paste it here, then o dot get order id, and then close the a tag and write a value is cancel. So I think I'm done for this one. So save it and go back to our browser, refresh the page. So you can see that we are not getting any orders, and let's check our console. There is no errors. So we need to find out what's going on here because we don't have any error right now. Okay, let's go to our home page. So buy one product, email, login, buy one product. So this is our orders.jsp. So now it's confirmed that we have products in our orders table, but it's not showing over here. And let's see what's the error. So we are found one error is column od underscore id is missing. So let's find it out. This one, save it out. So then refresh it one more time. I think we need to restart the server. Another condition we are missing here, the condition is missing that you can see that if auth is equal to null, then this orders method will called. So let's log in. So now let's go to order space, and we got our orders, and it's too ugly. Let's see actually where we messed it up. So table head and table body and table tr. So actually not tr, it should be inside a t1 tr, and then all other will be a td. This is a t end of tr, and this will be td. So now refresh the page. Oh, now seems perfect. So this is our orders table, so we can cancel the orders from here. So now come back to our authentication page, remove the comment. So now this section will be authenticated. So if I log out, then if I trying to access orders.jsp page, okay, it's redirecting us to the login page. So now login again. So let's say go to our orders page. So you can see we have orders here. This is the initial, and now we need to work on this or cancel order. Let's go back to our servlet, then create a new servlet. So servlet name is cancel order servlet, and click on next, then edit the URL. So which will be cancel dash order, and click on OK, click on next, and this one going to OK. So remove unnecessary comments. So this do post method is access or do get method, and here I'm starting with a try print writer out equal to response dot get writer, and then we need to collect that id. So request dot get parameter, which is id, then check it out. If id is not equal to null, then we'll call our order DAO. So order DAO equal to new order DAO dbcon dot get connection. So there, if id is not equal to null, after then we'll send the response dot send a redirect to orders.jsp page. Surround with try catch block, add a catch clause try. Okay, so we just need one exception e.print structures, and then in our order DAO, so we are going to create another method who is responsible for cancel order. So create that method, public void cancel order, then pass the id. Okay, then start a try catch block e.print structures, and then write the query. Query is delete from orders where o underscore id is equal to what. Then pst equal to this dot con dot prepare statement, pass the query, then set the value, set integer index 1, pass that id, then pst dot execute. So I think it's done for this method. So we are going to call this method here, order dot cancel order, and pass that id. So we need to parse it, integer dot parse integer, and pass that id. I think I'm done with this or cancel order now. So cancel order, so we need to restart our server because we have created a servlet. Restarting, seems it's restarted. So login, go to orders page. So here we have orders. So let's cancel the last one or this one. Click on cancel. So it's return us to orders. Oh, I see we have a mistake here. It should be orders.jsp page. We need to restart our server. Click on next, finish, then log in, go to orders page. You can see that our previous order has been cancelled. Then click on cancel again. So you can see the order has been successfully cancelled. Cancel all orders, go to our home page, add to cart, go to cart, increase the quantity, check out all product. So you can see that the product has been increased. So here one thing we need to do is we need to format our price. So let's go to our orders.jsp page, and this is our price. So we need to format it out. So dcf dot format, then pass this number, Ctrl X, paste it here. Okay, save it and then refresh it. You can see it's got our price. This is the value. So guys, I think I'm done. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I know that this video is going to lengthy. I have shown all things in this one video because otherwise for cancel order section I need to create another video. I make this twice together. So that's why this video is going to lengthy. I hope you learned so many things from here. So if you like this video, so thumbs up the video and also subscribe my channel and comment below and what you want to see in next tutorial. So you want to see the PHP project, Codeigniter project, or you want to learn Java Hibernate. So comment below. So see you in next video.